Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by parking the Murano on level ground, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for 15 minutes to avoid burns. Open the hood and locate the MAF sensor between the airbox and intake tube. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 60 seconds to clear electrical charge. Gather tools: 8mm socket, flat screwdriver, Torx T20, and new OEM or compatible MAF sensor. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Keep the work area dry and well lit to prevent contamination and accidental short circuits while you work. Loosen the hose clamp on the intake tube with an 8mm socket and gently pull the tube off the airbox to access the MAF housing. Press the electrical connector tab and pull the plug straight out. Do not twist the wiring. Remove the mounting screws using Torx T20 and keep them labeled in a small tray. Carefully lift the MAF sensor straight out to avoid bending or touching the sensing element. Inspect the air intake for debris and clean the airbox if necessary with a lint-free cloth. Seat the new MAF sensor into the airbox, aligning the airflow arrow with the intake direction, and tighten the Torx screws to 4 FTLB 4 NM to avoid cracking the housing. Reconnect the electrical plug until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a secure connection. Reattach the intake tube and tighten the hose clamp firmly but not over-torqued. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and observe idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Verify no check engine light and steady RPM. If codes persist, clear codes with a scanner and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.